I'm not gonna lie, because I love you, this is maybe one of the easiest things that I make for dinner. It's also one of our favorites.
So good.
Starting off with the key ingredient, these gorgeous Atlantic salmon fillets from MOWI. I get these on Amazon. They're delivered right to my front door as if making dinner was not easy enough. With a little TLC, I always like to pat down my salmon fillets before cooking with them. A little pat on the front and then the back, and then you are ready to go. You could choose your own vegetables and seasoning, but tonight I'm going with shallots, fresh lemon, green broccolini, and then I'm gonna top it off with some dill. Now you get to build your stack. I always start with the largest items first. So I put the broccolini on the bottom, add the salmon, salt and pepper. I put my shallots, fresh lemon, and then I top it with the herb. Now seal your pouch by folding the corners into each other. Make sure to seal each fold with your fingers so that while the salmon is baking, none of the steam gets released. This way your fish gets poached, it gets cooked properly, and all of those herbs and all of those veggies and all that flavor gets cooked into the salmon. And because this dish is so easy to make, I usually start on my sides first. Unlike the main dish, these potatoes take at least an hour and a half to make, so I highly recommend them. The recipe is below. What makes these potatoes so special is that they are roasted 4 times. When you make classic Greek lemon potatoes, you add all of your herbs and all of your spices with a bunch of liquids. We have broth in here, we have lemon. By roasting it 4 times, you're letting the potatoes soak up all of that liquid, but in the end, you're still getting a really crispy potato. Now, good things come to those who wait. However, if you're in a pinch, something like a simple rice pilaf would go really well as an alternative side. The cool thing about this recipe is that because each portion is wrapped in its own parchment packet, you can decide how many you want to make. You can also make these ahead of time and keep them in the fridge until you're ready to bake them later that night. MOWI salmon is truly the best, and so is this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you decide to make it.